Hello friends, our first share is Varun Beverages, also known as VBL. Today this share was down by around 5%, and if I look at 1 year return, it has provided 101% return in past 1 year, so it has 2x the invested amount of the shareholders. If I look at 5 year return, it has provided 507% return to its shareholders, so 6x the invested amount. And if I look at the maximum chart pattern, you can see this share has provided 835% return to its shareholder, and you can also see the chart pattern going consistently up. This company is associated with PepsiCo, and this company is the largest franchise of PepsiCo company in the world. And VBL produce and sell the products of Pepsi, which are Pepsi, 7-Up, Mirinda Orange, Mountain Dew, Tropicana juices, and many more. And this company is part of the RJ Group, which also has the largest franchise of Pizza Hut, KFC, Cream Bell, and Costa Coffee. And that's the reason in Pizza Hut, KFC restaurant, you will see them serving Pepsi. And this company is currently doing operations in 6 countries, including India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, which contributes 85% of the total revenue, and 3 African countries, which are Morocco, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, which contributes 15% to the revenue. And now I'm at the yearly numbers for VBL, and you can see that in December 2019 the sales were 7,000, which decreased to 6,400 due to COVID. Then again it started increasing, and it increased to 8,800, and now in the 12 trailing months you see that it is around 12,690. And you can see that the profit of the company is also increasing, so you can keep an eye on the operating profit. In 2019 it was 14,060, then it was 1,200, a dip, and then it increased again to around 1,700, and now for 12 trailing month it is around 2,680. And here you can see the profit compounding of VBL. In last 5 years the profit have compounded by 72%, which is great. In 3 years by 32%, and in the last 12 trailing month it has given a profit of 115%. If you look at the sales figure also, sales are also very good. In 5 years the CAGR sales have been 18%, in 3 years 20%, and in the 12 trailing months it has been 50%. And one of the product which is contributing and giving a boost to its sales is Sting, which is the energy drink that they recently launched. It is doing very well and helping the company in increasing their revenue. If you look at the stock CAGR, the stock CAGR for 5 years has been 45%, in 3 years it has been 58%, and in last 1 year it is around 122%. So you can see that the company is doing great business. Its profit is increasing at a very good rate, its sales are increasing at a good rate, and hence you see that the stock price also is increasing at a very good rate. And in the FMCG sector, if somebody is looking for a fast growing company, you can certainly focus on VBL. It has done great so far, and it can do well in future as well. And the reason why I am saying this is by looking at the chart in US, because PepsiCo is listed in USA, and if I look at the maximum chart pattern of PepsiCo, you can see that this company has also grown very consistently and has provided good returns to its shareholder. And for businesses like these which are already established and old business in US and which have recently started in India, you can also do a comparison like this, because US obviously we all know is a developed country and India is still developing. So you can get some idea about the trends which were there, which may replicate in India as well. And it's not only this chart, it is the numbers also that you can see that the company is doing very well. And provided the percentage of youth that we have in our country, I believe the company will continue to do very well in the coming years as well. Now I am at the chart for VBL, and the reason for discussing VBL today was that it has now come down to its support level. So you can see that it made a high at around 1430, and during this time I made a video stating that this is not the right time to invest in this share. Let this share fall back to its support level, and then you can think of investing. So now that time has come. So if anyone was interested or wanted to buy shares of VBL, you can start with your first installment now, because the share is available at its first support and is currently down by around 14.5% from its top. From here we don't know whether it will move back or it will fall further. In case if it fall further, then you can add at 1100 and then at around 1000 level. And in case if it start moving up from there, then you can continue to hold the share and wait for the next opportunity. So you can keep your focus on this share for tomorrow. Next company to focus on for tomorrow is Pidilite Industry, which was down 2% today. And if I look at the 1 year return for this company, it has been negative 9%, but 5 year return has been around 172%. And if I look at the maximum chart pattern, you'll again see a very good chart pattern of a consistent compounder share going from the bottom left to the top right. And this company is the leader in the sealant and adhesive sector. It has very known brand under its umbrella, one of them being the very popular one, which is Fevicol. Then they have Dr. Fixit, Fevikwik, Fevisticks, and many more. This share has been one of the consistent compounder share. You can look at its CGR, 10 year, 5 year, 3 year CAGR has been about 20%, 21, 22, 27. Only in the last 1 year you are seeing the pressure, wherein the stock price is down by -9%. But this company has dealt with this problem earlier as well, inflation problem, increase in crude oil prices. This company will certainly bounce back, if not in 6 months, then maybe in 1 year, 2 year. Now I'm at the chart for Pidilite, and this company made a high at around 2900. From there it has now fallen back and it is taking support at this level, which is 2480. Earlier also it bounced back from this level and again it has touched this level. Currently you're getting a discount of 15% on this company. In case market gives us more opportunity and if it falls further, then again at every 100 level we have support available on this share. You can see earlier it has bounced back from 2400 and then it took support around 2300 level, and then around 22 and then 21. We don't know till what level this share will fall. Hence we should always do buy on dips so that we do not miss out on any opportunity. So you can keep your focus on these two shares and do your own study as well and then invest accordingly. So that's it in this video. We'll meet in the next video with some more information. Thank you.